For a brief moment in history, humanity reached beyond our home planet and touched another world, the moon. It was a feat that captured the imagination of millions and showed us that the impossible could become reality. The Apollo missions proved what we could achieve together, uniting people across the globe in awe and wonder. But after Apollo 17 in 1972, our lunar ambitions faded, and the world turned its attention elsewhere. The mighty Saturn V rockets were retired, left to become museum pieces and memories. For over 50 years, no human has ventured beyond low Earth orbit, and the launch pads that once roared with power fell silent. We stopped for many reasons: shifting political priorities, the enormous costs, and a sense that the mission had been accomplished. The excitement faded, and the dream of exploring the moon seemed to slip away. Yet, the dream of the moon never truly died. Scientists, engineers, and explorers kept asking, "When are we going back?" The moon remained a symbol of curiosity and hope, inspiring new generations to look up and wonder. Now, after decades of waiting, we finally have an answer. We are returning to the moon, and this time, our ambitions are even greater. This time, it's not just about planting flags and leaving footprints. It's about building a lasting human presence, one that will open new doors for science, technology, and exploration. The Artemis program, named for Apollo's twin sister, will land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon, making history and showing that space is for everyone. Artemis is about inclusion, sustainability, and ambition. It's about working together as a global community to push the boundaries of what's possible. We're not just visiting, we're learning to live there. We'll test new habitats, technologies, and ways to survive and thrive on another world. The moon isn't just a barren rock. It holds resources like water ice and rare minerals that could be vital for our future in space, supporting life and fueling journeys even farther. The moon is a scientific laboratory, a test bed for new technology, and a crucial stepping stone to Mars and beyond. Every experiment and discovery there brings us closer to the stars. Decades of progress have given us new tools, smarter spacecraft, and a clearer vision for the future. We're ready to take the next giant leap. The silence is ending, not with a fleeting visit, but with the steady hum of human activity. Soon, the moon will echo with the sounds of exploration and discovery. Our next chapter on the moon is about to begin. This time, we're going to stay, to learn, and to reach even farther than ever before. Artemis isn't a repeat of Apollo, it's a blueprint for a sustainable lunar future. The goal: establish Artemis Base Camp, a permanent outpost where astronauts can live and work. We'll learn to use local resources, like water ice and lunar soil, to make air, water, and even rocket fuel. This skill, called in situ resource utilization, is essential for Mars and beyond. Artemis will land the first woman and person of color on the moon, inspiring a new generation. We'll explore untouched regions, including shadowed craters that may hold secrets of the solar system's past. By studying the moon, we'll better understand Earth and prepare for our future in space. Artemis is about discovery, diversity, and building our place in the universe. Getting to the moon, and staying there for the long term, demands a new generation of powerful hardware and bold ideas. It's not just about reaching the lunar surface, but about building a sustainable presence that will shape the future of space exploration for decades to come. The Space Launch System, or SLS, is the most powerful rocket ever built, designed to launch astronauts and massive cargo beyond Earth's gravity. With its immense thrust, SLS is the foundation for deep space missions, sending humans farther than ever before. The Orion capsule is our modern command module, safer, larger, and built for deep space. It's equipped with state-of-the-art navigation, communication, and radiation protection, ensuring astronauts can travel safely through the harsh environment of space. Orion is the crew's home for the journey, with advanced life support and safety systems. Its spacious interior and robust design allow astronauts to live and work comfortably during their mission, whether orbiting the moon or preparing for landing. To land on the moon, NASA partners with SpaceX, using a lunar-optimized Starship as the human landing system. This next-generation lander is designed to ferry astronauts from lunar orbit down to the surface and back, enabling extended exploration. Starship is fully reusable, designed for large crews and cargo. Its innovative design allows for multiple missions, reducing costs and making lunar travel more routine. Starship's flexibility opens the door to new possibilities for science and exploration. Orion docks with Starship in lunar orbit. Astronauts transfer, descend to the moon, explore, and then return to Orion for the journey home. This seamless choreography is key to a safe and successful mission. This mix of government and private hardware is a new philosophy, leveraging NASA's decades of experience and the rapid innovation of commercial partners. Together, they're building a new era of lunar exploration. Together, SLS, Orion, and Starship form the backbone of Artemis, each playing a vital role in the journey. Their combined capabilities make sustained lunar missions possible. Our highway to the moon is open for good, paving the way for humanity's next giant leap and inspiring generations to dream even bigger. Artemis marks a shift from Apollo's government-led model to true public-private partnership. NASA sets the goals, but commercial companies innovate the solutions. SpaceX and Blue Origin compete to build lunar landers, driving down costs and spurring progress. NASA focuses on deep space exploration and science, while industry builds infrastructure and delivers supplies. Private companies are developing spacesuits, gateway components, and robotic missions, creating a new lunar economy. This synergy between public vision and private enterprise is the engine that will keep us on the moon. We once thought the moon was dry, but robotic missions found water ice in shadowed craters at the poles. This discovery is why Artemis targets the lunar South Pole. Water is essential, not just for drinking, but for growing food and sanitation. Extracting water from lunar soil could make a base self-sufficient. Water can be split into hydrogen and oxygen for air and rocket fuel. Producing fuel on the moon turns it into a cosmic gas station. Rockets launching from the moon need less fuel than from Earth, making deep space travel more practical. Lunar water is the key to living off the land and exploring the solar system. The moon's resources could unlock Mars and beyond. Water is our ticket to the stars. Beyond a surface base, we need an outpost in lunar orbit, the Gateway. Gateway is a small international space station in a unique orbit, providing access to the lunar South Pole. It's a harbor in deep space. Orion docks, crews transfer to the lander, and descend to the surface. After their mission, astronauts return to Gateway, then home. Gateway enables specialized vehicles for each task, making missions safer and more efficient. It's also a science lab, testing life support and technology for Mars. Gateway is our stepping stone to deeper space. Artemis is a step-by-step campaign, each mission building on the last. It's a carefully planned journey, designed to push the boundaries of human exploration and technology. Every mission is a crucial learning experience, paving the way for the next bold step. Artemis Thruster-Bar, an uncrewed test in 2022, proved our new rocket and capsule work. This mission orbited the moon and returned safely, demonstrating that our systems can withstand the harsh environment of deep space. It was a vital milestone, showing that we're ready to send humans farther than ever before. Next is Artemis 2. 4 astronauts will fly around the moon, testing Orion systems in real time. This mission will mark the first time humans have traveled beyond low Earth orbit since Apollo, and it will test life support, navigation, and communication systems on a crewed flight. They won't land, but it's the first crewed lunar mission in over 50 years. The crew will gather valuable data and experience, preparing for the challenges of future landings and longer stays on the moon. Then comes Artemis III. Humans return to the lunar surface, targeting the South Pole. This region is rich in resources like water ice, which could support future missions and even help fuel journeys to Mars. 2 astronauts will spend nearly a week exploring, collecting samples, and deploying science instruments. Their work will help us understand the Moon's history and its potential for supporting life and technology. After Artemis III, regular missions will expand the base, rotate crews, and explore further. Each mission will build new infrastructure, test new technologies, and bring us closer to a permanent lunar presence. New rovers will let astronauts travel weeks across the landscape, opening up vast new areas for exploration and discovery. These vehicles will be essential for science, construction, and survival on the Moon. The goal, a sustained, bustling human presence. We're working toward a future where people live and work on the Moon, unlocking new opportunities for science and industry. The timeline is ambitious, but the journey has begun. Each launch, each mission, brings us closer to a new era of exploration and discovery. Our foothold on another world is within reach. The Artemis program is not just about returning to the Moon. It's about building a future where humanity thrives beyond Earth. Artemis unfolds amid a new era of international competition, this time with China. China's space program is advancing fast, with plans for a lunar base at the South Pole. Both nations are racing to land crews and build permanent outposts, but this space race is different. The Artemis Accords unite dozens of countries in peaceful, transparent exploration. Competition drives innovation, but collaboration sets the rules and shares the benefits. 2 parallel programs mean no single nation controls the Moon. The future may demand cooperation, because thriving in space is a challenge for all humanity. The Moon is a training ground for Mars, the next giant leap. Mars is far harder. A round trip takes years and crews must be self-sufficient. On the Moon, we'll practice extracting water, making air and fuel, and testing habitats and rovers. The Moon is close enough for rescue, Mars is not. We'll study how humans adapt to long missions and low gravity. Gateway will test deep space systems for Mars journeys. Artemis is phase 1 of the Mars program. This is about more than science or prestige. It's about humanity's future. The Moon is our first step. Mars is next. The journey to the stars is just beginning.